Once you step inside, your eyes are immediately drawn to that bright, large, open kitchen. The center island is the focal point where friends and family gather around for lots of conversation and food. The island's movable, so it can be set up as a buffet service for larger parties. There's a cozy corner nook for two. There's a new stove, new refrigerator, new climate control system, and solid surface countertops included. The living room is 19 by 17, contains a very comfortable black leather Italian sofa with a matching occasional chair and a large ottoman. There's a wall-mounted 55-inch video display, complete with CD, DVDs, to complete a home entertainment center. The living room, bedroom, and the den floors have all been done in 3/4-inch Brazilian cherry hardwood. The second bedroom is currently being used as a complete wirelessly in-home office. All its supplies and equipment are housed in a large double closet. The large contemporary desk, it speaks of confidence and centeredness, allowing one to work comfortably and efficiently. The wireless network provides a strong internet connection. The master bedroom includes a large king-size bed, and there's a custom headboard. The colors flow from room to room. Everything works with the furniture, with the artwork, with the furnishings. It all works together. Come in. See for yourself. Be comfortable. Call this place home. It's a great quiet location.